mantra.
Yeah.
Let's start with that, and then
Right.
we will do one or two.
This
verses.
is this.
Yeah. Om Bhadram Karne Vishnunyam Devaha.
Om
Bhadram Karne Vishnunyam Devaha. Bhadram Pashye Makshabhiryajatraha. Bhadram Pashye Makshabhiryajatraha. Sthirairange Sushtuvagam Sastanubhihi. Sthirairange Sushtuvagam Sastanubhihi. Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu. Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu. Swastina Indro Vritashabaha. Swastina Indro Vritashabaha. Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha. Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha. Swastina Saksharyo Arishtanemihi. Swastina Saksharyo Arishtanemihi. Swastina Bruhaspatir Dadatu. Swastina Bruhaspatir Dadatu. Om Shanti
Shanti Shanti.
इसमें ना ब्लेसिंग उसमें मंत्र बोलते हैं मंत्र बोलते हैं
O ye gods, may we hear with our ears always what is auspicious.
Oh.
O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see always what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life hale and hearty, offering our praises unto thee. May Indra, the ancient and the famous Pusan son, the all-knowing, the Lord of the swift motion Vayu, who saves us from all harms, and Brahaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scripture and the heroic heart to follow the teachings. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So let's do at least one or two verses.
Okay.
And we are in Karika, and मैंने इसमें वहाँ पर लिखा हो ये किया हुआ है सब.
Right.
So we यहाँ पर हमने finish किया था.
Right.
So you can read that English translation.
Yeah.
What is that verse? आपने यहाँ पर किया हुआ है.
26.
So you are Pranavo here.
Yeah.
Let me do the Sanskrit
Yeah.
part then.
Okay.
Pranavo hyaparam brahma. Try it. Pranavo hyaparam brahma. Pranavascha parasmrutah.
Pranavascha parasmrutah.
Apurvo nantaro bhayyah.
Apurvo nantaro bhayyah.
Anaparah pranavo vyayah.
Anaparah pranavo
vyayah. So you can. Is it okay for you to read, Joe, with your eyes? Or you want?
No, you go ahead.
I
you
think
read,
so.
you read.
Because I don't want you to
Too
exactly
smart.
to. I don't want to strain you.
I think you only read.
Okay.
Or shall I read that?
Yeah,
Om
please
is
do.
verily.
Yeah.
Om is verily the lower Brahman and is also declared to be the supreme Brahman. Pranav is without any cause preceding it, without subsequent manifestation, without anything inside and outside, unrelated to any effect and changeless. And changeless.
So here, before we go into it, maybe it will become a lot easier, the explanation, because I read the whole thing, and the similar thing is in Bhagavad Gita also. Bhagavan called in chapter 7 that Brahman has his higher nature and lower nature. Higher nature is in that absolute sense, where it gives all the power to the whole sansar, and the lower nature is the prakriti, because we know that spirit and matter, right? So spirit is a higher nature and lower nature is prakriti, but we know that prakriti is insentient. Prakriti में sentiency नहीं है, it only gets sentiency, it's a borrowed sentiency from the, right?
हाँ. Consciousness.
There's no confusion about that, right?
वो energy का basis तो
Yeah, and the perfect example is that our body is made up of 5 elements.
हाँ.
पर जब तक उसमें consciousness नहीं है, हम
प्राण
चल
नहीं है।
नहीं,
हाँ,
प्राण तक कुछ
प्राण नहीं
नहीं
है
कर
का तो
सकते. और when we say pranamaya kosha, that's like a little glue that holds us
Right.
together.
Right.
Actual sentiency comes from that
Yeah, exactly.
consciousness, right?
Yeah.
So if you can understand that higher lower nature, here they will explain, because in the hardcore Vedant, they believe that उसमें कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन आता है, ये संसार तो है ही नहीं, इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ इल्यूजन. Whereas the other people later on, Shankara calls it a relative reality.
हाँ.
और मिथ्या, the word मिथ्या means थोड़ी देर के लिए दिखाई दे रहा है,
हाँ, फिर
पर है नहीं.
फिर है,
चेंज हो जाएगा.
लेकिन वो दिखता है थोड़ी देर के लिए. So and the
Like a mirage.
yes, exactly, mirage or the snake on the rope, हमने कई बार
हाँ,
इसे अभी इस
हाँ.
क्लास में कर चुके हैं हम. तो ऐसी बात नहीं है कि वो स्नेक रोप बन गया हो, नहीं, वो स्नेक है, इसकी वजह से रोप दिखाई दे रही है.
हाँ.
तो जब वो उस मोड में रहते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि उसमें तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, नो मॉडिफिकेशन एट ऑल. बाकी फॉर आवर पर्पसेस, फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड, लेटर ऑन द स्वामीज दे केम अप विद द टर्म दैट इज रियलिटी एंड दिस इज रिलेटिव रियलिटी. थ्रू दिस आई कैन अप्रीहेंड, कैच दैट, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
हाँ, जैसे mind भी, you use your mind to understand all this.
Right,
the
and then you
scriptures,
reach
and then
higher
you
and higher. Exactly.
mind को वो fit
Sort
देते
of
हो.
fit with it. Exactly. Now you got it. So to have that background, and then everything will become clear when we read this. So you want to read the?
No, you read.
Okay. Besides Gaudpad, Vasishtha and others, the orthodox or the old school of Vedantin in Vedanta, there is a modern school which allows for a perceived world of relative reality. They call the multiple phenomenal world as a lower Brahman, which is a supreme reality seemingly manifested through properties, action and quality, etc. So here when they say the lower Brahman, that later on those people they said this is the world that we see.
जो manifest हुआ है.
Yeah.
वो भी ब्रह्मन ही है, उसका
पर
नो
manifest है.
term दे दिया lower Brahman. The lower Brahman provides an idol for the worship of the upasak in the Vedanta. The lower Brahman becomes Sagun Brahman in later Vedantic language. So all these things, lower Brahman, Sagun Brahma, Upasana, Kand
हाँ,
वगैरह,
मतलब form
it is
without
all,
form वाला.
yeah, वो सब, it's a similar meaning. The old school of Vedanta mainly started and led by Gaudpad and Vasishtha. So Gaudpad and Vasishtha were the two, they were old school Vedanti. Does not accept the lower Brahman. They insist on saying that the manifestation has never taken place. According to these non-creationists, the term is used creation हुआ ही नहीं है, सिर्फ दिख रहा है. No relationship can be fixed between ghost and the ghost. The ghost is not in any sense a lower degree manifestation of ghost. So मैंने बताया ना कि ghost और ghost is same as snake and rope. So तुम snake पड़ा हुआ है, sorry rope पड़ी हुई है और तुमको snake दिख रहा है. You cannot say that वो rope snake बन गया. उस thinking से ये बता रहे हैं.
हाँ, ये योग वशिष्ठ, क्योंकि वो योग वशिष्ठ लिखा है.
Well, वशिष्ठ या जिन्होंने योग
हाँ.
वशिष्ठ लिखा था, yes.
तो योग वशिष्ठ में है ही वो पूरा
हाँ.
कि time is an illusion, this
Exactly.
is an illusion.
So now
that
you
is
know
a-
why it
वो
is, because
पूरी
now we know
कथा.
this example. या मिराज का तुमने बोला कि
That
हम
is
लोग ये
from
नहीं
the-
बोल सकते कि पानी आया था थोड़ी देर के लिए, लग रहा है पानी आया.
वो डेजर्ट में मिराज.
हाँ हाँ, वो
और
पानी
रास्ते
है
में-
नहीं. अगर वो that's a very good example to mirage. It's अपने को दिखता है मगर है नहीं. That's where the thinking is coming. Okay. So on the contrary, the modern school of Vedanta founded by Shankara and other followers does permit a relative reality for the manifested world. This is not because Shankara believed that the pluralistic world in any sense real, in any sense is real. In practice, these two schools are not propounding mutually competitive theories, but in fact they are playing complementary role to each other. Shankara's attempt is to guide the sadhak in and through the manifested reality to the unmanifested. Because तुम किसी साधारण आदमी को बोलोगे ना संसार इल्यूजन है तो वो क्लास में बैठेगा ही नहीं, भाग जाएगा. बोलेगा मुझे तो दिखता है भाई.
हाँ, मेरे घर बच्चे सब कुछ हैं. illusion
तो वो
उनको
इसलिए
बोलोगे.
शंकरा ने बोला अच्छा बैठो, it is relative reality. Then he will prove why it is relative reality, right? So that you understood this part. Then the next paragraph says Gaudpad in this stanza is emphasizing the idea that the pranam or om represent in itself not only the supreme reality, the higher Brahman, but also the seemingly manifested reality, the lower Brahman. So he's saying that जो संसार दिखाई दे रहा है ओम को उन्होंने क्या सिंबल बोला था? कॉन्शियसनेस का सिंबल. सो उन्होंने, हमने पढ़ा ना कि ओम में सब कुछ आ गया, ये भी वो भी, इल्यूजन जो भी कुछ बोलो,
ब्रह्मा
it's
विष्णु
all-
महेश पूरा।
सारा का सारा वही है भाई. उसमें से अगर कुछ दिख रहा है तो वो उसका पावर है बस, और कुछ नहीं है. मिराज क्यों दिखता है कि एक सर्टन कंडीशंस आर देयर, सो वो दिखाई दे गया फिर चला गया. तो वैसे ही ये संसार आया थोड़ी देर के लिए, ले ऑफ संसार, फिर वो मर्ज हो गया, फिर आ गया, काइंड ऑफ थिंग, यू नो. सो नाउ ही इज ब्रिंगिंग अस बैक टू ओम एंड प्रणव represent entire thing. So the all-pervading pure consciousness, the source of all life and activities, the eternal truth, is being indicated by the glosser here in the second line by his carefully picked and artistically chosen expression. Because in the second line he's giving certain characteristics. Many of them, no doubt, are reminiscent of the scriptural literature. A close scrutiny of the significance of the term shall reveal to us the beauty, charm, and power of the language used. So, what did he use the words? He, in the second, when I was reading that Sanskrit part, he used the word apurva. Okay, so see the word पूर्व किसको बोलते हैं?
जो पुराना है।
पूरा पहले. अपूर्व में उसके पहले कुछ नहीं है. So the word, English word is, I don't even know how to pronounce this, antecedent. एक होता है precedence
प्रेसिडेंट
और एक होता है antecedent, मतलब उसके पहले क्या था. So Brahman is without any antecedent,
Right.
meaning without any cause.
या
It's a causeless cause. That's the
Right,
word
right.
Swamiji coined it. कि भाई हाँ, संसार is the cause of Brahman,
Right.
but Brahman का
Has
कोई
no
cause नहीं है,
cause.
वो itself ही है. So, and then he explains that anything born or made has a cause, which is antecedent to it. Brahman is uncaused,
Right.
that's why it is unborn, is changeless
Right.
and deathless.
Yeah.
ना तो उसका जन्म हुआ है और ना
ना।
तो वो खत्म होगा, वो तभी इसको
Eternal.
infinity बोल दो, ever present बोल दो,
Eternal, yeah.
right? So that's what it is.
सनातन बोल दो।
Sanatan बोल दो. So, though it is without antecedent, the doubt may arise in the seeker's mind that Brahman, the uncaused, must have caused his own effects. फिर, now remember, here he's talking about Gaudapad ji. So, Gaudapad ji का उन्होंने पहले ही बता दिया कि भाई वो तो ये भी नहीं मानते कि उसमें कुछ चेंज हुआ है. So, कोई सोचेगा कि ठीक है ब्राह्मण है, फिर they change into, जैसे कि मेरे पास दूध है, फिर वो दही जमा दिया उसका, तो चेंज हो गया वो, कुछ इफेक्ट आ गया उसमें.
Right.
So he's saying, but Gaudapad negates any effect in Brahman, negating the very idea of creation. So we have the opposite view asserted here, and the word he uses, anpar, not unpad, okay? It's like par bolte hai na, par Brahma. Have you heard
par
the
Par
par
Brahma.
Brahma?
Right.
Right? That is the supreme.
Right.
So he is unpar, means it is opposite of par,
Oh.
without any subsequent manifestation arising for its effects. It's a little bit complicated, but I think to me that example of rope and snake and the mirage is the best one.
Right.
It seemingly looks like it is there, but actually it is not.
Right.
So, and then another word they used in that paragraph is anantar, without anything outside of it. एक तो होता है अंतर, right? अंतर means within.
Yeah.
अनंतर means without. उसके बाहर कुछ है ही नहीं.
Right.
जैसे कि अपन इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना कि सब कुछ भगवान ही है, भगवान के सिवा कुछ है ही नहीं. That's what it is. That whatever you see is Brahman.
हाँ, जैसे टेबल पे छो कुछ भी, you know, that energy in different forms.
Yes.
बस.
There you got it. Yes. Because उसके original state को actually कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Because it is unborn, this thing. It's something like, the best example in the world I think is the sunlight. Okay? Sunlight, when the sun comes up, the rays literally are touching everything. But sun is not getting contaminated. Right?
Yeah.
That's what it is. So, Anantara, without anything outside of it, here is a term Gaudapad is indicating to us that in the all-pervading reality, there is nothing other than itself. There is nothing of any other species, vijatiya vastu. एक होता है स्वजातीय, एक विजातीय, कुछ और. To limit or curtail is non-dual and eternal nature. There is nothing outside it, which is other than itself. It is homogeneous and there is no differentiation. That is Svagata Bheda without itself. And sunlight, can we cut the sunlight?
No.
No, it just comes as a homogeneous thing. It
Right.
just lights up the whole world, you know. So, is there, if there is thus a truth, itself having no cause and itself causing no effects, a truth without any distinction, without nothing other than itself and in itself, without any parts, that truth must necessarily be changeless. And the word is avyaya. Vyaya माने खर्चा होना. I don't know if you know a little bit of Hindi. इसको व्यय बोलते हैं word को.
Right.
Means spend
To
it.
spend.
अच्छा
अव्यय means
जो
no
spend
spend.
होता
Spend नहीं होता.
हाँ
होता ही नहीं है।
हाँ जैसे वो मीरा के भजन में है
है क्या ये word?
खर्च
हाँ वो
ना, राम
खर्चे
रतन
न
धन।
कूटे नहीं. हाँ.
राम रतन।
मतलब तुम्हारा एक समझो कि तुम्हारे पास $100 है तो वो 100 का 100 ही रहेगा. उसमें उसमें खर्च नहीं होएगा
हाँ.
तो फिर वो ब्रह्मन है 100 का 100.
Yeah.
Something like that.
वो हम लोग करते हैं जो वर्स है ओम पूर्ण
Yes, Om
Yeah.
Purnamida Purnamidam. That's exactly what it is. पूरा का पूरा रहता है.
Right, right.
और वो उसका
उससे कितना निकाल लो
explanation
तो-
यही दिया है कि अगर तुमने मिराज देख लिया 100 बार तुम मिराज देख लो,
Right.
लेकिन वो डेजर्ट में कोई फर्क नहीं आया.
Right.
So that was verse 26. Now the question is, do we stop here? I know we did only one verse.
Yeah, but that's fine.
No, but
We
this
did
one
good
verse is the
Gita.
basis of Vedanta. This is the basis.
Yeah, we did get.
So the
good
Karika
Gita.
is very important because it just grinds
Right.
in our mind
Right.
what it is. Because ऐसे ही पढ़ लिया तो बोला हाँ हाँ I know.
Yeah.
You know, but no, he wants you to just think of every
Right.
little aspect.
Right, right.
And you know, like our Acharya used to say that Vedanta for some people might become so boring. They say बार क्यों बोल रहा है ये? तो
Yeah.
it's like because हमारी खोपड़ी में घुसता नहीं है.
क्योंकि we are seeing the same thing from different angles. इस
Yes.
एंगल से देखो, फिर
Right,
इस एंगल से देखो, फिर इस एंगल से देखो,
Yeah.
जिसमें कि वो एक किताब होती थी पक्षपात रहित.
हाँ.
Right.
उसमें ना वो राजा से कोई भी क्वेश्चन वो राजा पूछता जाता है
हाँ.
तो वो जो है ना वो उसका सेम आंसर देता है क्योंकि एंड में वो ब्रह्म या ये दैट बुक आई एम दैट
Yeah.
आई एम दैट
हाँ.
वो किसी कैसे भी एंगल से उसको पूछो द पोलिश पीपल
Right, right.
दिस वे दैट वे उसका आंसर
Answer वही है.
ends in that
Over 40 years, he gave the
हाँ.
same answer.
the
Yes,
same
yes.
answers.
They were.
So good.
They
I
have
think
earlier
yeah.
and later. You look at that, same answers.
तो कब किसको कैसे पता चलेगा?
Yeah.
क्या पता, right? So इसलिए वो the saints keep on grinding.
Yeah.
So let's do a closing prayer.
Right.
Om सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.
Shri Guru.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. So we are not eating food, so I'm not doing
Yeah,
Brahma Arpanam
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
But one of these days we will do the meaning because that's the highest form of yagna.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो ब्रह्म से
Highest way of looking at the world, basically. Highest way of looking. And it ties with that akarma mode.
हाँ
कि सब में ब्रह्म
Yeah.
दिखाई दे.
हाँ वो ब्रह्म में ही लीन हो रहा है.
Yes, ब्रह्मी वो हवन है, ब्रह्मी
Yeah.
में जठराग्नि भी
हाँ,
ब्रह्मी है,
अब वो
उसको
उसमें-
खाने में
लीन हो रहा है और फिर वो हजम करने की शक्ति भी
वही है
वही है.
एग्जैक्टली और वो जो
ब्रह्मा,
फायर
विष्णु,
का जो
महेश.
उसमें दिया है ना दिस इज एक्चुअली डिनोटिंग दैट वो फायर यज्ञ तो वो जो घी भी ब्राह्मण है पंडित भी जो
right.
बैठे हैं वो भी ब्राह्मण है
Right.
हवन कुट भी ब्राह्मण है और ब्राह्मण के लिए ही हो रहा है
Right, right.
And there are 2-3 very beautiful bhajans, that
डू यू सिंग भजन्स
uh, I can वो मेरी वो भजन की किताब I'll
Bring
next
it,
time
yeah.
I'll bring it. See Krishna ji, the bhajans and these Sanskrit this thing give it the correct atmosphere. वो
Right.
भजन
दैट्स
ना
व्हाई मेरे को आई एम
थोड़ा-
नॉट द बेस्ट एट चैंटिंग बट आई स्टिल मेक एन अटेम्प्ट
the Sanskrit का जो वो vibration का है ना वो Sadhguru's whole lectures on mantra chanting and he tells you just the vibration even if you don't
Definitely.
understand
या
the vibration will get you across.
So now
Well,
we
let's
should
do the Om.
Om. Huh.
यू लीड द ओम
Yeah.
हम बैठ जाते तो
श्योर
Then I have to do movie.